Today, I'm going to be talking about side hustles for every age that can make you extra money on the side or even become your full-time gig if you really want it. Side hustles are extremely important as they'll help you get ahead faster since you'll always have extra money on top of your regular income. You can then save and invest that money and let that money make you even more money. So for example, you might save to buy inventory for a bigger side business or invest in rental properties or invest in stocks. Ultimately, if you keep hustling, that extra money will open up more opportunities for you to make even more money as long as you stay financially disciplined. Not to mention all the skills you'll build from these side hustles which you can monetize or create businesses around in the future. I've done almost every side hustle I talk about in this video, so I'll tell you roughly how much I made from it as well as how scalable it is so that you can understand the true potential of some of these side hustles. You can mostly do these at every age, but if you are too young for one, then there are always ways to work around them with your parents. I'll put the convenient age for each of these side hustles in the video. By the end of this video, you'll have hopefully smashed that like button as well as subscribed and have a solid understanding of the side hustle that you can start to make the most amount of money for your age and situation. When you're younger, all you really have to offer is your time, so you can offer people services that will save them time. When I was younger, I would do whatever I could for my parents or relatives to make an extra buck. This included helping my parents at work or running errands for people. You could mow your neighbor's lawn, wash someone's car, wash someone's driveway, and much more. I don't know if y'all have seen those satisfying videos where people clean driveways with pressure washers. So that's something that you could do. So if you have extra money, you can buy a pressure washer and charge people to clean their driveways. Getting driveways cleaned is expensive depending on how big they are, but if you charge low rates of $50 to $100 per driveway, you can make a lot of money. All it'll take is some hard work and a small investment to buy the pressure washer, which will more than pay for itself. Nowadays, almost everyone has iPhones and people are constantly dropping their phones and cracking their screens. The truth is, it really isn't too hard to fix those screens. Whenever someone I knew had a broken screen, I would let them know that I can fix it, even though I really didn't know how to at first. I would order the screen replacement kit on Amazon and it would come with all the tools needed to fix the screen. I would then find a YouTube tutorial for replacing the screen for the specific iPhone and get it done. I would charge $40 to $100 per phone plus the parts, which was definitely cheaper than what some of the repair shops charge. I advertised my services on Craigslist and just from word of mouth by letting people know to get business. I was even going to get business cards to hand out to people but never ended up scaling it that far, so that's something that you can do to get more business. You can also hop on social media and make an Instagram or TikTok to get more customers. Over time, we all collect and end up with so many things in our homes, but we don't even use most of them. One of the easiest ways to make money is to sell all of those things. You can sell on Facebook Marketplace for completely free and you can sell locally on there as well. I actually recently sold a couch doing this, so I'll walk you through the process of how I did that. First, you'll need to take some good pictures of the item you want to sell. Then you can head on over to Facebook Marketplace and add the photos, create a title, add a description, and set your price. Then you should start to get messages from people that want to buy it. It really is as easy as that, and even if you don't sell the product, it's all good because it's completely free and you didn't lose any money. You can also list your item on platforms like eBay or Mercari if you can ship the item out. Another super easy thing that anyone can do is tutoring. Let me explain. If you're good at anything, not just math or English, you can easily find people to tutor online. Or you can apply for a job as a tutor somewhere locally. Like I said, this doesn't just include tutoring people in math and English. You can teach people anything that you're good at. If you know how to use computers really well, you can teach around that. If you're good at nutrition, maybe you can do something around that. I was okay in math, so that's what I tutored in. I had a minimum wage tutoring job in college, but I also made around $30 per hour with private clients on the side. And I was doing this completely on the side. Now, unless you have a tutoring job, you may not end up making that much since most people only want 1 to 2 hours of tutoring per session. I had bi-weekly sessions with my clients, so it wasn't too much, but like with every side hustle, you can put yourself out there more and scale this to 5 to 10 clients and make at least an extra $500 per month. The next one you can do with just a computer and an internet connection. Dropshipping is a way to sell products without holding any inventory. You sell a product to your customer through your website. You then have your supplier ship the product directly to your customer. You don't touch the product at all and it can all be done online. Dropshipping is highly competitive since you can start it with basically no money and the profit margins are very low, but it still can be done if you're willing to put in the hours. Now, I haven't made millions off of this, but I do make a good $1,000 to $2,000 per month doing this. For me, it's not my main focus, but some people do make tens of thousands of dollars doing this every month, but the truth is it probably won't make you a millionaire. If someone tells you that it will make you a millionaire and then they try to sell you a $500 $500 course, stay away from it. There is a ton of free stuff you can find online if you want to learn more about it. YouTube has a lot of free videos, and you can also use Google to get a lot of free information on dropshipping. And if you do want a structured course, Udemy has very cheap courses of around $20, which are much more affordable, and they'll probably give you the same information that those expensive $500 courses would give you. Doing dropshipping will also build your skills so that you're able to run a bigger online business, or maybe even launch your own product or brand someday. Another way to run an online business where you don't handle any inventory is through Amazon FBA. You first have to find a unique product that you can sell through Amazon. This does cost a lot more than dropshipping to start because you do have to buy the inventory upfront from a manufacturer. So although you do have to commit to buying inventory at first, you don't have to store it or ship it to your customers because you can just ship all of your inventory to Amazon and they'll do all that for you. I did this with some earphones with the lightning connector for the iPhones while I was in college. I first found the product through Alibaba and ordered some samples. I then told the manufacturer to put my logo on it and ship it directly to Amazon. I made around $5,000 of profit off that one product in 1 to 3 months. So $5,000 really isn't too much in a few months, but I was in school and I learned a lot about running an online business. I mean, people doing this full-time are making $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 every month just from Amazon. So with some time and commitment, you can make a good bag on the side or even make this your full-time gig. One advantage of this to dropshipping is that you already have millions of potential customers through Amazon, so you don't have to spend as much money on advertising. Keep in mind though that Amazon won't share any customer data with you, so that has its own downsides. If you don't want to do any of that but still want to do something online with digital marketing and social media, I'm going to get into some social media side hustles for which you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. I'll talk more about not having to show your face online later. First is TikTok. All you really need is a phone and an internet connection. You can post short videos that are less than a minute long, and sometimes all it takes is one viral video for your life to change. TikTok has changed so many people's lives, including mine. I suggest making videos on stuff that you enjoy and or already do. I've been learning about business and personal finance for many years now, so that's what I talk about. Just make sure that you're providing people with value so that they keep coming back for more. If you aren't comfortable with showing your face, you can make a funny meme page where you repost viral videos. You can also make a gaming page or a business and motivation TikTok, and much more, whatever you enjoy. It just depends on what niche you want to be in. And this doesn't have to be your own content. You can edit and repost other people's content. Just make sure to give them credit. Brands are willing to pay big money on TikTok. With 100,000 followers, you can easily make $1,000 per post depending on your niche and engagement. With 1 million plus followers, I've heard of people getting 10,000 and up for a single sponsored post. But of course, the rates you'll get for sponsored posts will really just depend on your engagement as well as your niche. But it's absolutely insane how much you can get paid per post. Right now, if I were to take all the brand deals, then I easily have the potential to make 15,000 and up per month just off of TikTok. Through TikTok, you can also grow on other platforms like Instagram simply by reposting your TikToks. That way, you make the most out of your videos and you grow on multiple platforms at the same time. I've done this and I've gained over 100,000 followers on Instagram simply by reposting my videos. And on Instagram, again, depending on your niche and engagement, you can charge even more for sponsored posts. With 10,000 followers, you should be able to easily charge $500 for an Instagram Reels sponsored post and $100 for a sponsored story post. For me, I'm at over 100,000 followers right now, but at 60,000 followers, I was already working with offers of $3,000 for a sponsored post. There are other ways to monetize through TikTok and Instagram as well, such as selling your products, selling digital products, answering requested questions with videos, and more. TikTok is the opportunity of the decade, so if you've ever wanted to post online, now is the time. All you have to do is start. You don't even have to show your face, just post, because the creator economy is only growing. If you want to go even deeper into social media, then YouTube might be for you. It is highly competitive, so it'll definitely level up your game when it comes to keeping people engaged, making videos, editing videos, and more. And these are all very, very valuable skills to have. Just like with TikTok, all you really need to start on YouTube is a decent phone and an internet connection. Again, you can do this even if you don't want to show your face. There are so many channels that do that. There are gaming channels, business and motivation channels, TikTok compilation channels, and more. And a lot of them don't show the face of the person that's behind the channel. First, figure out what kind of channel you want to make and find some similar channels in that niche. You can then get some inspiration from the bigger channels on what works. If a certain topic or some type of video does well on somebody else's channel, then it'll probably do well on your channel too. After you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours, you'll then be able to make money from YouTube ad revenue. Even with a small amount of success, you can start making some good money on YouTube from ad revenue, brand deals, selling merch, and more. Some of the top YouTubers make millions just from ad revenue alone every year. So even if you get just a little bit of success, you can still make a lot of money. Since I just started on YouTube, I'm not making any money from YouTube yet. So make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to support my channel. So once you start going on any of those platforms and get even a little bit of success, you can then start affiliate marketing. This is where you promote another company's products and you get a commission from every every customer that the company acquires through you. First, you have to find companies that you can be an affiliate for. Clickbank.com and Impact.com are great. They have thousands of companies on there that you can apply to become an affiliate for. You can also apply to the Amazon affiliate program, in which you can promote Amazon products and make a commission off of those. And once you get approved by a company or Amazon to become an affiliate, you can get links and put them in your bio. And if you were wondering, I mainly promote companies like Robinhood and Coinbase because I am in the finance niche. I don't heavily focus on affiliate marketing though, but I make a good $200 to $500 every month from this. I didn't mention Pinterest and some other social media platforms, but you can do this everywhere. I also personally do this on Pinterest because the competition is low, but no matter which one you start with, just make sure that you're consistent and you post 1 to 3 times daily. Over time, you'll build an audience and you'll eventually start to get referrals and your affiliate marketing income will go up. I do make money through other ways as well, such as investing, and I have a video on investing for complete beginners if you don't know how to start. But we can talk about the other ways in another video because this was probably a lot already. To close off, I will say that the skills that you develop from these side hustles will be much more valuable than the money you actually make from them. Because over the long term, these skills will come in clutch whether you work for someone or whether you run your own business. So make sure that you constantly keep learning and trying new things. If you enjoyed and found value in this video, smash that like button and please subscribe to support my channel. It's completely free and you can unsubscribe whenever you want. Also, make sure to share this video with a friend that wants to learn more about money. And as always, until next time.